Hello viewers, Moments question 4. We need to find the two reaction forces A and B. We have a 4 Newton downforce at the far left hand end, 2 metres away from the support force A. We have a 10 Newton force, which is, well, we can see that the two supports are 7 metres apart, and the 10 Newton force is 5 metres back from B, which means it must be a 2 metre distance away from A. At the far right hand end of the beam we have a 12 Newton force, and that is 1 metre beyond B, which means it must be 8 metres from A, given that the two support forces are 7 metres apart. So we're going to use the sum of the moments equals 0. That's the first of the equilibrium conditions. We'll use A to be our pivot, and let's take clockwise to be the positive direction. So if we have our support force at A and we have a downforce on the left of it, it's going to make it rotate anti-clockwise. So that 4 Newton force is going to be an anti-clockwise moment, whereas the 10 Newton force and the 12 Newton force are pushing on this side, which is making it rotate clockwise. So the two clockwise moments are going to be due to the 10 Newton force, so it's going to be 10 times, and as we said before, this distance must be 2 metres, so that's 10 times 2, plus at that far right hand end we've got a 12 Newton force, and we're multiplying it by its distance, which is 8, minus any anti-clockwise moments, which is going to be the 4 Newton force times the 2 metres, and we've also got minus the other anti-clockwise is going to be the reaction at B, so that's going to be forces B times 7 equals 0. So therefore we've got 20 plus 12 times 8 is 96, and then we've got minus 8 equals 7b if we move that 7b to the other side, and therefore if we work out that left hand side, 20 plus 96 minus 8 is 108 equals 7b, so therefore b is equal to 108 over 7, and if we calculate that we get 15.4. So it's a 15.4 Newton force at B. Okay, so we've got the first of the reaction forces. The second one is going to be obtained using the sum of the forces equals 0. So we'll take upwards to be the positive direction for the forces part, and we therefore have the up forces are A and B, the down forces are 4, 10 and 12 equals 0. So therefore A plus B must be equal to 4 plus 10 plus 12, which is 26, and therefore since we know B, we have A is 26 minus B, which is 26 minus 15.4, which works out to be 10.6 newtons. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.